Hi children, today again I will talk about Mahatma Gandhi. I will say one story that how he taught a little boy. And I am your teacher, Miss. In early 20th century, an Indian boy became very much obsessed with sugar. But since sugar is very bad for health, his mother became quite worried for him. She tried all possible ways to stop him and cure his habit but failed. As a last resort, she decided to take her son to meet his ideal personality, Gandhiji. The boy adored him and obeyed his messages deeply, with a hope that she could get her son to save his health. She set out for Gandhiji's ashram, which was miles away. Barefoot, they walked all the distance in hot Indian summer. Finally, they reached the destination. However, the task was not over yet, as they had to stand in a long row and wait for their turn. An hour passed before they came face to face with the person whom they both respected and looked up to. Bapu, my son here, consumes far too much sugar. Then he should. Will you please tell him to give up this habit? The mother complained and requested with hope in her voice. She requested Bapu to tell her son. Gandhiji listened to the lady with patience. He thought about this for a while, but refused to say anything to the son. Instead, he asked them both to visit the ashram again after 2 weeks. The lady was crestfallen. Again, we travelled miles in the burning sun, barefoot, to get a solution, and we should return again for a sentence, she thought inside. But Gandhiji was very determined and steady. They did go back home and waited for the 14 days prescribed by their role model. And then they made the hard journey again in search of the mother's hunt for happiness. Finally, the ashram and Gandhiji were here. Bapu, say something to him, the mother pleaded. Gandhi smiled and patted the boy on his shoulders and said, Son, you should not eat sugar. It's not good for your health. The boy nodded and smiled too. They were told to move on. Excuse me, Bapu, said the surprised mother. For 2 sentences, you made us wait 2 weeks and walk miles in the hot sun each way 4 times. You could have said them the last time we came. I am sorry to ask, but I am confused. Avoid without practice is useless, Gandhiji explained. When you bought him first and asked me to advise him against eating sugar, I too was consuming it much. How could I stop someone from something that I too was guilty of? Meanwhile, I am now in control and feel worthy of asking him to stop. The mother and son, who were already big fans of this person, learned another lesson to treasure. It's easy to lecture others to do good actions, but doing what you say is far more greater and difficult. practice what you preach. Now we will know some facts, unknown facts about Gandhiji. We will know 20 unknown facts about Gandhiji. Are you ready, children? So first one, number one, mother tongue of Gandhiji was Gujarati. Did you know this? Gandhiji mother tongue was Gujarati. Number two, he did his schooling from Alfred High School, Rajkot, from Gujarat, the Alfred High School. Number three, his birthday, 2nd October, is commemorated worldwide as International Day of Non-Violence, Ahimsa. Number four, he was the youngest child of his parents. He had 2 brothers and 1 sister. 5. Gandhiji's father, Karamchand Uttamchand Gandhi, was the chief minister to Rana of Porbandar. Number 6. Mahadev Desai was Gandhiji's personal secretary. Mahadev Desai. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was assassinated in the garden of the former Birla House. Where did Gandhiji assassinated? It was the garden of the former Birla House. Birla House. Number 8. Gandhi and famous author Leo Tolstoy interacted with each other through letters. Wow! Through letters they were interacted. Leo Tolstoy. Gandhiji set up a small colony, Tolstoy farm, at an 1100-acre site 21 miles from Johannesburg, South Africa, for his colleagues in the Satyagraha struggle. Gandhiji was born on Friday. India got its freedom on Friday, and Gandhiji was assassinated on Friday. 3 things were happened on Friday. 11. He not only fought for independence but also demanded fair treatment for the so-called untouchables of lower caste, and also done several fasts in their support. Number 12. Gandhiji 1982, an epic historical drama film based on Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, won the Academy Award, means Oscar, for the best motion picture. 13. In 1930, he was the Time Magazine Man of the Year. He was a great writer, and the collected works of Mahatma Gandhi have 50,000 pages. Wow! Number 14. Did you know that Gandhiji was nominated 5 times for the Nobel Peace Prize? Peace Prize for 5 times. The 15, the country against whom he fought for India's independence, Great Britain, released a stamp honoring him 21 years after his death. Gandhi Century earned. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was not born with the title Mahatma. It was given the title by the Nobel Prize winning Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore. He gave the name Mahatma. Number 17. When Jawaharlal Nehru was giving the Tryst with Destiny speech on August 15 in the Parliament, Gandhiji was not present there. Number 18, Gandhiji's funeral procession was 3 kilometers long. It was 3 kilometer long procession. Number 19, Reserve Bank of India issued the Gandhiji series banknotes with the portrait of Gandhiji since 1996. Number 20, in 1959, Gandhi Memorial Museum was set up in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. It has a blood-stained garment worn by him when he was assassinated by the Nathuram Godse. So we will quiz on Gandhiji. Hey children, let's have a quiz about Mahatma Gandhi. I will give you 5 seconds for each question. So let's start. 1. Gandhiji was born on 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What will be the answer? Yes, 2nd October. So Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869. Next question. And Gandhiji was born in which place? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gandhiji was born in, yes, Porbandar. Third question. Who was the father of Gandhiji? You have 5 seconds again. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So who was the father of Gandhiji? You know now. Yes, father's name was Karamchand Gandhi. Who was the mother of Gandhiji? Again you have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What was the name of mother of Gandhiji? Yes, name was Putlibai. 5th question. Who was the wife of Gandhiji? 5 seconds. Let's count. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So who was the wife of Gandhiji? Was Kasturba Gandhi. Number 6. Gandhiji had gone to London in the year. Let's count seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tick, tick, 1. So Gandhiji had gone to London in the year 1888. Number 7 question. Gandhiji went England to study. Let's start the time. Tick, tick, 5. Tick, tick, 4. Tick, tick, 3. Tick, tick, 2. And tick, tick, 1. So let answer. Gandhiji went to England to study law. Number 8. Sabarmati Ashram is situated in, let's count 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reply me. Where is ashram? It's in Ahmedabad. Number 9. The story of my experiments with truth was originally written in 5, 4, 3, 2, tick, 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 tick. Its time is flying. 1. The answer will be Gujarati. Gandhiji written in Gujarati. The English translation of the story of my experiments with truth was done by tick, tick, 5, tick, tick, 4, tick, tick, 3, tick, tick, 2. Hurry up, children. Reply. Tick, tick, 1. Answer is Mahadev Desai. Mahadev Desai. Number 11. Mahatma Gandhi was named by Times Magazine's Person of the Year in which year? Number 5, 4, 3, 2, hurry up, 1, give me answer. Answer is, it was in 1930. Quit India movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi in the year. Let's start the time. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. In the year, which year? Answer is 1942. 13. In 2007, the United Nations General Assembly declared Gandhiji's birthday as tick, tick, 5, tick, tick, 4, tick, tick, 3, tick, tick, 2, tick, tick, 1. What is decided? International Day of Non-Violence. When was Gandhiji shot dead by Nathuram Godse? Tick, tick, 5, tick, tick, 4, tick, tick, 3, tick, tick, 2, and tick, tick, 1. When was Gandhiji shot dead by Nathuram Godse? On January 13, 1948. Who gave the title Mahatma to Gandhiji? Let's start timing. Tick, tick, 5, tick, tick, 4, tick, tick, 3, hurry up, tick, tick, 2, tick, tick, 1. Who gave the title Mahatma to Gandhiji? It was Rabindranath Tagore, the Bengali poet. 16. In India, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is celebrated as, time started, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Celebrated as what? Celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. The death anniversary of Gandhiji is celebrated as, time started, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The death anniversary of Gandhiji is celebrated as Martyrs Day. Martyrs Day. 18. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as tick tick 5, tick tick 4, tick tick 3, tick 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 tick, watch is going, time is flying, tick tick 2, and tick tick 1. Also known as Mahatma Gandhi, what? Father of the nation. Bapu, father of the nation. 19. How old was Gandhiji when he was shot dead by Nathuram Godse? Let's start 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. How old was Gandhiji when he shot dead? He was 78 years. 20. At which place did Gandhiji started his satyagraha in India? Tick tick 5, tick tick 4, tick tick 3, tick tick 2, tick tick 1. Give me the answer. Hurry up. Which place? The place named Champaran. The Salt March. We will know about Salt March. The Salt March. You know about this? Starting in 1835. When provinces in India increasingly came under British rule, the British imposed a tax on Indian salt and a series of salt laws. The tax raised the price of Indian salt and made it difficult for Indians, especially for poor people, to buy the salt. They needed the salt laws, made it illegal for Indians to collect, to produce or sell salt. Anyone who will produce or sold salt in India, outside of the British, could be imprisoned for 6 months. Gandhiji and many others found the imposition of the salt tax and the restrictions on salt production unfair and decided to protest against them. Gandhiji to protest against them. He said, next to air and water, salt is very necessary, perhaps the greatest necessity of life. The greatest necessity of life is salt. Salt is important very much because it makes our food taste good. But more importantly, salt is essential for our health. Salt is very essential for health. For children also, they need salt. We all need salt. Gandhiji organized a salt march in Ahmedabad to the seaside village of Dandi in the south of Gujarat. It started on the 12th of March 1930. It started on the 12th of March 1930 with Gandhiji and 78 people more. How many people? 78 people. We know them as freedom fighters because they struggled not only against unfair laws but also for Indian freedom from British rule along the 240 miles from Ahmedabad to Dandi. Thousands of people from all over India joined the march to protest British rule, the high salt taxes, against the high salt taxes and the unfairness of not being allowed to produce and sell their own salt. Gandhi and his followers walked about 12 miles a day and reached Dandi in 3 weeks. He called it a battle of right against might. At the end of the march, Gandhi picked up some grains of salt from the seashore and took a pledge. With these crystals of salt, I am going to shake the foundation of the British Empire with the Dandi March. With the Dandi March, Gandhiji launched the civil disobedience movement against the British Empire. Following the Salt March, 80,000 Indians along with Gandhiji were jailed. See, Gandhiji was in jail. He was imprisoned. But the British administration eventually relented and invited Gandhi to London to discuss reforms in India. Gandhiji's Salt March got wide news coverage and proved to be a turning point in the history of India's independence movement. Which movement? Independence movement that led to independence in 1947. With this simple act of standing up against injustice. Always be injustice. Gandhi shook the foundation of the British Empire in India. He showed that by working together, people of conviction and courage, even if each one is as small and powerless as a grain of salt can make an enormous difference. It makes difference. Thank you, children. I hope you enjoyed this all the story of Mahatma Gandhi.